In this video, I'm gonna explain the #1 reason why growing out your hair feels so difficult. It is because you don't have any systems in place. What do I mean by system? A specific set of steps meant to solve a specific problem that you do every single time. Because right now, you're moving off of vibes. You're moving off of vibes right now, and I was the same way. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Wash day comes around. You go into your bathroom, you check the cupboard, and then you're like, what product am I gonna use today? Or even worse, if they're not your products, maybe they're your sisters, maybe they're your moms, your aunts, your lunch ladies, whoever. You just go and use whatever they have. And then you wing it, essentially. Every wash day, you're winging it. Or let's go with another example. Every other week, you're on YouTube searching for wash day routine for 4C hair, low porosity. And you're like, okay, I'm gonna try out this person's routine. Then you try that out. Next week comes along, you try out that routine. You never actually get good at any of these routines because you're switching everything up. You need to have a system in place. Something that you can fall back to every single time. And I'm not just speaking air right now because I know there's going to be somebody being like, it's just hair, man. It's not that serious, bro. Let me give you an example, right? When it came to detangling my hair, I had a problem with every time I would shampoo my hair, it made detangling my hair afterwards 10 times harder, 10 times more difficult, every time. And I would watch these videos of people doing their wash days, and then they would always start with shampoo. Like everyone knows this, right? You start with shampoo, then you might go with conditioner and deep conditioner, whatever. I learned that every single time I used shampoo, whether it was a moisturizing shampoo, before I detangled my hair, detangling became a nightmare. So what did I do? When did my life actually change and detangling felt like it was easy? When I stopped shampooing my hair first. And I said, you know what? From now on, I'm not going to shampoo my hair first. I'm going to detangle my hair first. I started using stuff like flaxseed gel or a deep conditioner. Now, it is a staple in my routine. I will not shampoo my hair before I detangle. And my routine got easier just from making that switch. Now, now the question is, do I ever switch that up? No. Another problem that I had, same thing with detangling my hair. I used to use 2-strand twists when I would section my hair. I would section my hair and into different parts, and then I would detangle the section, and then I would 2-strand twist it up. For me, that took way too long. And because it took long, my hair would dry as I went around my head, and then I would have to, damp it again. It just created a big problem, created a huge problem. And I was like, okay, how do I solve this? And then I started using hair clips. And I found that from using the hair clips, detangling became easier. I didn't have to spend so much time on it. And I actually moved faster by me using the hair clips. Question is, have I ever gone back to 2-strand twists? No. Once I figured out that hair clips worked for me, I continued to do that. And over time, I started to build this system where wash day goes the same way every single time. Now, does it take time to actually figure out this stuff, figure out what works for you? Yeah. But I guarantee that there's a couple of you watching this video where you are addicted to trying out new routines. You're addicted to trying out new stuff. You want the dopamine of doing a new routine. When what you really need and what would create less frustration for you is to build a system that you stick to every single time. Because regardless whether you want to admit it or not, managing your hair is a skill. It's a skill. And no matter how many people are going to be like, it's just hair, bro. I just go in the shower and I wash my hair. Like, I don't whinge or whine about it. If that's you, then fine. Go ahead. Cool. I don't know about you. I'm one of those people who I like to have a system for everything. I have a system for my calendar. I have a system for my routine. I like routines because routines make things easy. You don't have to think about it. Take out the guesswork of trying to switch it up every single week and try to make stuff up on the fly. Once you figure out something that works, stick to it. Now, main thing is, even if I was to sum up this entire video, your goal when it comes to your hair journey, a lot of you have been learning stuff. You've been learning how to moisturize your hair from one video. You might have learned how to detangle your hair from another video, or what products to use from another video. Having all of that head knowledge is good, but that's not the end of the story. You need to find a way to fit everything together in a way that makes sense for you, in a way that works for you. You want to get your hair journey down to an absolute science, because once you get it down to an absolute science, it don't have to change. Then everything becomes easy. Then wash days, you could just chill. You watching a movie, you watching your show, you just zoom past it. Before you know it, you're done detangling. Before you know it, you're done styling your hair, and it's not a big problem anymore. So how do you do this? Let's get into some actionable stuff, right? I want you to list out your routine right now. You don't have to do this on a pen and paper, but like think about it, right? The steps in your routine. Which ones are giving you the most trouble right now? Which ones? And then almost audit it and be like, okay, let's use this example, detangling, because it's a huge thing for a lot of people. What's the biggest thing? What's the biggest problem right now? Oh, I feel like I snap off my hair. Or it always seems like a problem for me to get the comb through my hair. Okay, so that's your problem. Now you need to come up with a solution for it. So it might be, okay, I need a product that has a lot of slip. Okay, what products have slip? Boom, you start implementing that in your routine. You see a difference? Okay, boom, that sits there and that stays. But you know, I found that even though I have a lot of slip, I find that my hair dries out quickly as I go around my head. Like that's a big problem. Okay, what's the solution for that? Okay, maybe what I might need to do is I section my hair into 4, 2 on each side, and I detangle the first side first, and then I make sure that I dampen this side a lot again, or go in with the product before I actually have to detangle. Like these are just examples of what you want to do. List out the parts of your routine that you're having problems with, and then come up with a solution for it. Where do you struggle most? And then build a system for it, bro. System sound like a big word, but really all you doing, you just solving a problem. And once you solve the problem, you don't have to solve it again. Stop creating the problem over and over again because you want some variety. Because you've been doing this routine for a while, bro. Let me tell you, since I started doing my hair in sections, that must have been like 2-3 years ago. I've never switched it up since. And then from then, routine's been easy. You want to get everything down to an absolute science. You could even ask somebody for help for this. You could ask like your sister, your mom, whoever has long hair, and they feel like they got everything under control. You want to build a system, brother. Build a system. And if you guys want help with it, I could do it for you. There's a link down below in the description where I will build you a custom hair routine around your budget, your lifestyle, your hair needs. So if you go to the gym 5 times a week and you find that you're always sweating and then you don't know what to do with that, we'll build you a routine around that. Or if you like this specific type of products, but it's a little bit expensive, we'll find you some alternatives that you could use and actually build you a routine so you know exactly what you're doing from the beginning of wash day to the end of wash day, and also from what you're doing from Sunday to the next Sunday or throughout the week, so that your hair is moisturized, it's soft, it's managed, it's taken care of, and most of all, it doesn't feel like a huge problem. If you're interested in getting that custom hair routine, the link for that will be down below in the description. Go and click that now.